Hey lovely soul, I have a super cute new shrug pattern for you that you are gonna wanna wear every day. When I tell you I am obsessed with this, I mean it, and I want one in every color. Let me introduce you to the Chamfered Shrug by Candy Key, a beautiful little piece where each sleeve tells its own little color story. And those stories meet in the back at a beautiful 45-degree angle, creating a really unique and fun to wear shrug. This diagonal meeting of shades is such a great design choice. This is called a chamfer, and it's taken from the world of mirrors and architecture. So it takes the concept of a simple shrug and it elevates it. And once you see how easy it is to change the colors, because I'm going to show you here in a minute, you just might want to incorporate this technique into your other projects as well. Chamfered is for the knitter who is ready to explore, to try something bold, yet grounded in simple meditative stitches. And I want to talk about the fit. This cute little piece is so wearable. It's wonderful for a variety of seasons, a variety of events, and I feel like it's sort of that perfect in-between item. It gives you a little bit more warmth than a scarf, say, but less than a full-on jacket, and that's why I want one in every color so that I have one to match every item in my closet. Before we jump into showing you how to change those colors, I did want to mention that you can download this beautiful pattern at expressionfiberarts.com. While you're there, be sure to sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. I can't wait for you to make this. It's actually very simple. So if you take a look at the design, you're gonna see that you're basically starting by making a rectangle. So it's very easy to adjust the size. And I do recommend that you nail down the size before you begin knitting. So how do you do that? Make a mock-up. So this is so cool. You're gonna take a rectangle of some old fabric, maybe an old sheet or something, into the size that you think you're gonna want your finished piece. And then use some safety pins, just keep it super simple, kind of seam up the sides. You don't have to add the cuffs or anything. Then you're gonna try it on and make sure that you love the fit. Wear it around a little bit, make sure it's good before you even start knitting. So then when you start knitting, actually compare your knitted piece to your little mock-up, so you're gonna be guaranteed that it fits. We start with some beautiful textured seed stitch along the border, and seed stitch is just knits and purls. So remember, when you're working seed stitch, when you come to a little purl bump, you're gonna knit that, and when you come to a little V, you're gonna purl it. There's a purl bump, so we knit it. There's a little V, so we purl it. So you can very easily tell visually how you should be working each stitch. So go ahead and work your few rows of seed stitch. Then we're gonna jump into the body. Then to work the bulk of the body, you're gonna work stockinette stitch. A row of knits, a row of purls, a row of knits, a row of purls. It really couldn't be easier. And when you're changing colors on a purl row, here's what you do. Now we're into the body stitches. So here's how you're gonna change colors when you're on a purl row. So you'll go ahead and purl across until you are one stitch before your next color. You're gonna go ahead and grab your new color and pull it up and under, and go ahead and purl with that new color. And then you can continue across your row with that new color. So you have twisted your stitches, so it creates a nice little join there. Now, when you're changing colors on a knit row, here's what you do. You're gonna go ahead and knit across your row. And when you come towards your color switch, go ahead and finish off that color, and you're gonna work one more stitch in that color. Then you're gonna drop that and you're gonna grab the other color and pull it up and over. So it's crossing over that old color. Then you're just gonna continue knitting. And when you look on the back, this is gonna be a nice secure little join, so your colors are flowing smoothly along and it looks beautiful on the front. Once you finish knitting the body, you're gonna finish the other border with some seed stitch as well. Once you've made that rectangle and you've seamed it up for the arms using mattress stitch, you're gonna go ahead and add some cuffs. And the cuffs, which are actually thicker and sturdier than the rest of the project because you hold two strands of yarn together, add just that beautiful, cozy finishing touch to this piece. And I love that this design uses two different colors. It could be made just in one color, but having each sleeve in a different color and the cuffs in opposite colors as well just elevates it from a a simple yet elegant shrug to a total showstopper. To make this, we used our dreamily soft hand-dyed Buttery Sport yarn, and the colors are Flick Flock and Cassie Coo, but we have so many shades to choose from, so choose whatever lights your heart up. This yarn is squishy, it's bouncy, it's squeezy, it's soft, and being sport weight, it's really great because it's gonna work for a variety of seasons. It's not gonna be super hot, but also it does give you a little something if there's a chill in the air. I am gonna be giving away 2 skeins of each of these beautiful colors today. As usual, if you would like to enter, just make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know if you have ever knit a shrug before. So go ahead and wrap yourself in this gorgeous creative shrug. You're gonna love it. I know I do. And if you wanna check out some other shrug patterns, you can see them on our website. Have an incredible week, my beautiful friend. Make sure that you find some time to knit, find time to fill your own cup so that you can go and splash that onto other people. That sounds weird. Have a beautiful week. I'm gonna see you next week with another new design. Bye!